Hello friends, my name is Basit Khan and today I'm here in the Tech Beat for You channel, and today we are discussing about what to do if you forget the password or the pattern or the pin of your Android device. On most of the channels they show how to reset the passwords using the recovery mode, but in case I have seen many devices that are not able to move on to the recovery mode. So in order to reset there, what can we do? So here is the solution. If you forget this password, which is already it can be a pattern, or it may be a password, or it may be a pin, or it can be anything. So if you forget it, how to erase it without going to the recovery mode by using the power, volume down and the home button respectively after you have switched off your mobile phone, which is the normal way of formatting or erasing the passwords you forgot. Let me tell you most important thing, that if that is not working for you, here is a solution for that. For that, you have to do one thing. If you have forgotten the password, that time you have to do one thing, that you have to keep the internet connected via using the mobile internet or the Wi-Fi, which whatever is possible, you have to keep it connected so that it can be managed through the Google via another phone. So in order to do that, I will show you how to do that. Okay, first of all, I will tell you, you have to first go to the Internet Explorer from the another phone, because this the phone you have been the issues with might be locked at that time. Bring up another phone, whatever it may be, or the computer or the desktop or the laptop, whatever you like. Just on the Google, type Android device manager. When you click the search option, there comes the link. Okay, when link comes, it will ask you for the username, Gmail ID and the password. I'm going to write down the password, right? Okay, and then click on sign in. When I have clicked on the sign in, definitely when your mobile will be connected, here there will be an option of contacting your device. If your internet connection is on that device, the Google tries to contact your device, and as soon as your device gets located and connected, so from there you can click on the erase button. As soon as you click on the erase button, you will get to know that your phone which is unlocked have been restarted. So after restarting, it will be factory data reset. So there will be no passwords, there will be no applications, there will be no memory, there will be no contacts. So for that, you have to take backups before doing this. I hope you have liked this video. Please like and share our channel so that whenever new video is uploaded, it will reach you on time, it will gain your knowledge on time, and it will help you in your daily issues. Thank you.